Welcome to Techie Ade's installation video help manual. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can register for this software and how you can explore our premium courses. So first of all, you have to register and just enter the website, that is premium.techieadesh.com. Now fill your information like your first name. I'm giving my own name, last name, my mobile number. So I'm entering my own mobile number. My username, let's see, my email ID. So I'm entering my own email ID. My password, the same password as a confirmed password. Now I select the courses. If I want to go for free course, then I have to select the web designing free course. Otherwise, you can choose from any of the premium courses, right? So I'm selecting over here the free web designing course. So fees automatically is 0. Now I click on the sign up button. After that, I'll get the notification you are registered for free web designing course. Now you can download the software, that is, yeah, same time I've got the notification or my mobile number, and I'll receive that you are registered for free course on this site, right? After that, a link has been sent to your registered email ID, right? This is the link I have received. So this is the link to download the software. Now I open this link. So this is the link to download the software. If I want to use the software for Windows, so I'll click on this icon, software for Windows. If I want to use this software on mobile, Android mobile, then I will download the APK file, right? So now I'm downloading the software for Windows. So it will be downloaded over there. You can see the live, it's being downloaded. Now I open the location where the software is actually downloaded. This is the exe you will get. Now I run. So this is asking to install. I said yes. After that, I'll have to select the language. I'll select English. Next, it is asking you want to create the desktop shortcut icon. I'll say yes. Next, after that, I will install. So it is going to install the software and you will get the icon. Now, after installation, you will get the icon like this. Now you can open the software. Then you have to enter username or mobile number with your password. Suppose my mobile number, I can enter with my mobile number or password. Suppose I forgot my password, then I have to click on lost password and I have to enter the registered number, my phone number. That is 844-7351-685. After submit, yeah, password has been sent on your registered number. So I'll receive the password. Now I can log in with the mobile number and the password combination. Yeah, same time I receive the password. Now if I enter, and the password I received on my phone number. I'm typing over here. So if I entered both the information correct, now I enter to the login panel, right? So all the details are here, like my courses in my panel. So I have gone through the free course for web designing. So if I want to explore this course, just click on the course name. So if I click on the course name, this is the index file. It means for any chapter you want to go through, click on any of the chapter. Like I want to explore the introduction to HTML. So this is the page, right? You can go through and you can enjoy the course. You can copy the code and you can run this code as well. Now, if you want to go back to the previous window, just click on the logo button. Click over there, right? If you want to update something in your profile, just click on my profile. Right? Your already information is there. You can change your name, mobile number, your email ID, and you can also update your new password. You have to enter your new password and the confirm password. After that, click on update, right? If you want to go back to the previous window, just click on the logo button. And in the lowest corner option, there is a payment options. If you have gone through a premium course, so just scan for the QR code over there and you can easily make the payment, right? Once again, if you want to go back to the previous window where all the courses are there, so just click on the logo button, right? Now you can explore the course. In my this panel, I'm having only a free course. If I want to go with another panel, another login, so I have to log out. Now I'm entering with a new username and the password. There are multiple courses in this panel. So I'll show you how you can use multiple courses. Like in this panel, this is a dummy user. In this panel, I'm having multiple courses. So if I go for the Python course, I'll click over there, right? So these are the chapters in the form of index file. You can explore any of the course, right? Suppose I want to go for the collection in Python and I want to see what is the list in Python. Go over there, right? So these are the topics you can try out the programs by copying and you can run in your software editors, right? Suppose I want to go for another course, not for Python, then I have to click again on the logo button. Again, I am back on the main screen where my profile, my courses, my payment options are there. So if now I want to go for Java course, so I'll click on Java. After that, the file for Java is also there. And in some of the courses, I'm also having the pre-recorded videos over there, right? So I can go with them as well. Now, how I can log out? Just click on the logout and we are again back on the login window. After that, you have to again enter your username, mobile number and password combination. In username and mobile number, you have to enter either username or mobile number, right? If you are a Android mobile user, you can also enjoy the course on your phone number. First of all, you have to download the APK file, then you have to install the APK file. After that, the same process is there. Similarly, you have to enter the username and mobile number and password. Then you can log in, and after that, you can browse the course. If you are having any of query, You can call me anytime. This is the number 844-7351-685. Thank you for this video. Thank you so much.